Hi, good morning. So I'm trying to discuss about one error that occurred on my website this morning. So the error is error in establishing database. I think I have it here. Okay, please hold on right here. So error in establishing database. So which is as a result of low memory in your cPanel website or WordPress site. The reason when trying to update the website or trying to post to the blog site, the error that comes up is that error establishing a database connection. Okay, this is the site. Okay, I think I've featured this site in one of my previous blog. Okay, and okay, so let me just quickly show you how I did it so that it can be beneficial to it can be beneficial rather to come to version, select PHP version rather. So allow these guys to load. So when finish loading, if your the default on your cPanel, and this is what you have, okay, and when you have this, you will not be able to actually increase the memory of your PHP version. So what I did was I clicked on this and I moved from native PHP version. I moved to 7.0. So when you move to 7.0, you need to save it to update. You can see to update to the current PHP version. So you scroll down. When you scroll down, where is save button? Okay, switch. Now switching. Hold on. 07 set as current. Okay, so when you set as current, it will update that you are actually using the current version of the PHP. So you come down here. This one was on 2 before. Okay, so I change it to 512. So which will automatically solve any issue you are having about error establishing a database connection. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.